Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Effort Gardener. Today I am going to be talking about kind of a sensitive subject, depending on how you feel about it. And just a disclaimer, I am going to be talking about animal death because we had some things that happened, and so let's just get right into it. Now, like I said, I am going to be talking about animal death. Yesterday was Mother's Day. I hope you guys had a great Mother's Day. I was relaxing, enjoying my Mother's Day, when we realized that 3 of our chicks were gone, vanished. Now, I found some clumps of fur and fluff on the ground, and I did find something that kind of looked like the innards of an animal. And so I'm not sure if our cat got to them or another predator came, but whatever it was, it came and got them, and then it left. This happened over the course of like 2 days. 3 of our chicks ended up missing, and so we only have 11 now. Now, I'm not sure if they were attacked or what exactly happened, but one of our chickens, Baby, I named her Baby because now I can distinguish her from the group. She ended up getting hurt. She has a large gash on her foot, several cuts on her foot, but one in particular is very large. And so I'm just gonna kind of talk about that. Now, I do have a video of me cleaning her wounds and everything, but it's just not the greatest video, but I am going to add that clip right here. Thank you.
Isaiah, stop. Stop, Zay. Stop, Zay. You almost tipped over. You almost tipped over. What's that for? His feathers?
Just to keep him calm. This is Baby. As you can tell, first, I put her back into this plastic container that she was in when she was a smaller chick. And so that's where I have her quarantine at, and I just have a piece of metal on top of it so she doesn't fly out. And here she is. You can kind of see her lifting her foot up. She's not she's not putting her foot down. It's her right foot. You see it? And there's, oh, that's a good angle. Thank you for coming over here. If you can see her foot right there, that's the foot that's having the problems. I washed it, like you're gonna see, like you saw in that clip. And so she puts it down a little bit, but she's mainly keeping it up like that and just kind of hopping around. Stop, Isaiah.
I was peeing.
And she has water and some food. I guess she knocked her food over.
Water?
But she's doing pretty well. I had the light on, the heat lamp, but I thought she might get too hot, so I went ahead and turned it off. But there she is. And see, she's putting it down a little bit, and you see that gash there? That's why I believe she's having a lot of pain. And I called different different animal hospitals, and they won't see chickens, and so I was gonna try and just handle this.
Hold on my side.
Hold on, Zay. I'm gonna try and just take care of her ourselves. I watched a lot of videos and did a lot of research on how to take care of chickens with injuries, and she might just have to be in here for a couple weeks. And I might take her outside to play or to walk around and everything, but I just felt like it was best to just keep her separate from the rest of the flock. That is it for this video. I usually say I hope you guys enjoyed this video, but I didn't enjoy making it, so I don't think y'all enjoyed watching it. But I had to leave and come back and shoot the rest of this, and I found a carcass in our yard, and so I'm 97% sure it's our cat. And so I'm just like, he gonna have to get some act right because nobody has time. Like, nobody has time. But like I said, we made sure that the coop is good, and we made sure that there are no ways where they can get out so they can get hurt or get attacked. And so that's all for this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.